In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to add a code block to your Jira issues. It's a quick 6-step process that will help you display code snippets clearly in your comments and descriptions. First, find and click on the issue where you'd like to include your code block. Scroll down to the comments section and click in the text field to start adding your comment. Here's a helpful tip. If your Jira setup supports Markdown formatting, you can easily create code blocks by surrounding your code with triple backticks. You'll want to click on the Markdown option to enable this formatting capability. Now go ahead and paste your code into the field, select the appropriate programming language for syntax highlighting, and hit Save. Perfect! Your code block is now formatted and saved. This makes it much easier for your team to read and reference code directly within Jira. That wraps up our walkthrough on adding code blocks to Jira. Feel free to run through this again anytime you need a refresher.